Hi all, I'm creating this video to explain how to do a basic cost estimation in Revit. So I've created a sample demo model here. So what we have here is a door, a shutter, few windows, and these lights. Okay. In order to start getting the cost estimates, let's do few setups first. So if I go to UN by typing UN and go to the currency here, then click on dollar, use digit grouping, then click on OK, then OK. So what I'll do is I'll create a new schedule here. So if I right click, new schedule, I'll be selecting multi-category schedule, then OK. Then what I'll be adding is type mark, family and type, and cost. I'll be sorting by family and type, then cost, then click on OK. So now what I got is all the types. So these are all L1 lights, W2 windows, W1 windows, S1, W2. Let's go to fields, sorting and grouping. Instead of sorting by family and type, I'll sort by type mark. So in this way, I will get sorted like this. Wonderful. Okay. Now let's add the cost here. So say for example, the one costs $125. Light one costs $35. So S1 starter costs $200. Window, say 100. Window to 125. So here, if I go to the formatting, no, sorting, then untick the itemize every instance, then go to the fields, then add count here. So since I untick the itemize every instance, now I'll get the total counts only instead of every element. So this will act as unit, and this will be unit cost. Now we'll be getting total cost. So in order to get the total cost, I will click on fields, then add a calculated parameter. I'll name it total cost. So I'll group it under currency, and formula will be cost itself, and click on OK. So here, if I go to the formatting under the total cost, I will check. I will get option for total calculate totals. Then click on OK. So what it is doing is getting the total cost, which is basically multiply by this one, this by this. Now, if I go to the fields, I'll add grand totals option. Then under the formatting, under the count, here I will add calculate totals as well. So what it will do is grand total items, these numbers and the total cost. So now I'm going to show you something here. So what will happen is, so for example, I'll copy few items here. The light, for example. So if I copy light from here to here, so what it will do, so it will be a live data here. So right now it's 17. So now if I copy this here, here, so it will be 18 and the cost will automatically update. So now I will add two more lights here, CO, then copy here. I'll get 20 items and the total cost is $700. So here what I'll do is I'll select all these elements, change to another light. So what it will do is change these elements here. So we will get a new light that is L2. I'll add the unit cost for this as $40. Now I get the total for this item. So for example, if I select all this and change this item, so this reduced and this increased, and we got the new total cost of all the items on the model. Hopefully that will help everyone get the concept to calculate the cost. Thank you.